Beijing is the capital of the People's Republic of China. It is one of the largest cities in China with a population of around 12 million people. Beijing enjoys a subtropical winter, but it can be very hot and dry in the summer because of the winds from the Gobi Desert. Visitors that come to learn about the culture and history of Beijing may find there's too much to see in one trip. Beijing has museums, palaces, gardens, and ancient relics of man's existence thousands of years ago. Tiananmen Square is the largest public square in the world. Families and visitors take walks on the 99-acre square. The square was built to accommodate 1 million people. In the middle of the square is the monument to the people's heroes. Across the street is Tiananmen Gate, which leads to the Forbidden City. The Imperial Palace, also known as the Forbidden City, so named as the common people were forbidden to enter, or Gugang, which was the imperial residence during the reign of 24 emperors. Why did they not let common people enter? I want you to try to say that out loud. B is for Beijing, big in size, culture, and history. It is the capital of China. Why visitors love it is no mystery. How is this verse similar to the one about acrobats? Let's look at it again. We have history, and that rhymes with mystery. Let's continue on the sidebar. Yellow is the symbol of the royal family, and it is the predominant color at the imperial palace. Emperors wore yellow gowns that had dragons embroidered on them. Surrounding the palace is a high wall, a moat, which is a wide trench filled with water, and over 800 buildings that contain 8,886 rooms. Also in this area is the Great Hall of the People and the National History Museum. The Summer Palace, once a residence of emperors in summer, has an imperial garden with a lake, bridges, and islands with beautiful flowers. Beautiful Beijing, home to the Olympic Games in 2008. If you were a painter at the palace, what color would you be sure to have lots of? And who do you think lived in all those rooms? Let's talk about what we just read. Washington, D.C. is the capital city of the United States of America. Beijing is the capital city of China. Both are beautiful places. Why do you think countries are careful to make their capital cities beautiful? Now, let's look at the illustrations here. How are buildings in the capital of China different from the buildings we see in the United States? Okay, let's move on to our vocabulary words for today.